The AI industry is on fire right now. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, just made a stunning admission that could change everything. In a Reddit AMA, he hinted that OpenAI might have been wrong about keeping its technology closed, and even gave credit to a Chinese startup, DeepSeek, that's shaking up the game. But that's just the beginning. Microsoft is investigating DeepSeek, Google is making silent moves, and a $500 billion AI data project is in the works. If you thought AI wars were intense before, you haven't seen anything yet. Let's break down what's happening and why Altman's confession could be a game changer. OpenAI's shocking confession. For years, OpenAI has kept its AI tech locked behind closed doors. But now Sam Altman himself is questioning that decision. He openly admitted that OpenAI might have been on the wrong side of history when it chose to keep its research private. Why does this matter? Because OpenAI was originally founded as a nonprofit that promised to share AI research with the world. But as the company evolved, and after the launch of ChatGPT, it became a highly secretive, profit-driven company. Now, Altman is reconsidering things, especially after seeing what Meta and DeepSeek are doing. Meta has been open-sourcing its LLM models, and DeepSeek, a relatively unknown Chinese AI company, is making huge claims that could change everything. DeepSeek, the $5.58 million AI miracle? So who is DeepSeek, and why is everyone talking about them? Until January, almost no one had heard of this company. Then, out of nowhere, they announced they had built an AI model on par with OpenAI's GPT-4. But here's the crazy part. They claim it only cost $5.58 million to develop. For reference, OpenAI has spent billions training its models. DeepSeek says they did it with just 2,000 NVIDIA H800 GPUs. If true, that would be a game-changing breakthrough. But there's a problem. Some experts think DeepSeek's cost estimates don't add up. Some even suggest they may have sidestepped US chip restrictions or stolen OpenAI's research to speed up development. In fact, Microsoft is now investigating whether DeepSeek improperly used OpenAI data. If Microsoft finds proof that DeepSeek copied OpenAI's work, this could lead to massive lawsuits and a major AI scandal. The AI spending war. Who will win? Regardless of whether DeepSeek is playing fair, its claims are shaking the AI world. Tech giants are spending more money than ever to stay ahead. Microsoft spent $80 billion on AI infrastructure in late 2024. Meta invested $65 billion to advance its AI systems. OpenAI is reportedly looking to raise another $25 to $40 billion, pushing its valuation up to $340 billion. The reason? AI development is insanely expensive. But DeepSeek's claims suggest you don't need billions to build a top-tier AI model, which completely disrupts the industry's assumptions. Even Sam Altman is taking notes. He announced that OpenAI will now let users see more of its AI's thought process, a move directly inspired by DeepSeek. This could mean more transparency in AI decision-making, something that has been a huge concern for researchers and users. Will OpenAI finally go open source? One of the biggest debates in AI right now is whether companies should open source their models. Meta and DeepSeek release their AI's code so others can build on it. OpenAI, on the other hand, has been extremely secretive, until now. Altman hinted that OpenAI is internally discussing the idea of open sourcing some of its technology. Not everyone at OpenAI supports this, but Altman didn't rule it out. If OpenAI does go open source, it could completely reshape how AI is developed and used worldwide. New AI model and Google's secret moves. Meanwhile, OpenAI just launched a new model called GPT-4 Mini. It's a cheaper, more efficient AI built for science, math, and coding. Users can now toggle the reasoning level to make it more accurate. Even free users can test it out with certain features. This release seems strategic, coming right after DeepSeek's big announcement. OpenAI is clearly trying to stay ahead while keeping costs down. But OpenAI isn't the only one making moves. Google is working in the shadows, trying to quietly update its AI model Gemini 2.0 Pro. They briefly released an experimental version, then deleted all mentions of it, possibly because they weren't ready for a public showdown. The $500 billion Stargate project now, here's where things get even crazier. Sam Altman has convinced SoftBank, Oracle, and Abu Dhabi's MGX fund to invest in Stargate, a project that could become the largest AI computing infrastructure ever built. The price tag? A mind-blowing $500 billion. It would require massive data centers using as much power as small cities. Even the White House is paying attention. Donald Trump appeared with Altman at a press conference about the project. But here's the issue. No one knows where all the money is coming from. Critics argue that SoftBank's past investments, like WeWork, flopped, and there's skepticism about whether this mega project will even happen. Elon Musk, who helped start OpenAI before leaving, claims the funding isn't even close to what's needed. Could this be another AI bubble waiting to pop? Final twist: lawsuits and scandals. And just when you think things couldn't get any wilder, Sam Altman is now facing a personal lawsuit. His sister, Ann Altman, has accused him of sexual abuse, claiming it happened between 1997 and 2006. She's seeking $75,000 in damages, a small sum, but the allegations could still seriously impact OpenAI's reputation. Sam Altman denies the claims, and his family has released a joint statement backing him. But if the lawsuit gains traction, it could become a huge distraction for OpenAI at a critical moment. The future of AI. What happens next? So, what happens now? Will OpenAI finally embrace open-source AI? Is DeepSeek legit? Or did they steal OpenAI's research? Can Altman's $500 billion Stargate project actually happen? And what about Google and Microsoft's next moves? One thing's for sure. The AI wars are heating up, and the next few months will be insane. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest AI news. Thanks for watching.